What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Before we get started, just want to thank everybody, all the people who have subscribed. If you've liked the video, it seems like you guys really enjoyed the last video. We had a lot of interaction, so definitely want to keep that going. Want to keep the content coming in, but just want to thank you guys before we get started with this video. For today, we have some product from Go Tuning Unlimited. Got some spoon dress up parts, so looking forward to getting those installed. I'll go do a quick overview of the parts right now. So we've got two Spoon Sports decals, so looking forward to getting these put on. We've got the Spoon Sports oil cap for the FK8, along with the Radiator cap. So looking forward to getting these two dress up pieces on. Also sent a pretty cool brochure. So if the guys at Go Tuning, if you're watching this, pretty cool, I appreciate it. And if you guys are wondering, why am I putting these Spoon Sports parts on my, or dress-up pieces on the car, one, I really like the brand, and also the car is lowered on spoon springs. Let's get a picture of that there. And I really like these springs. I really like them a lot. Wanted to go with these over the iBox or E-Box, just due to these were meant to be a little bit more comfortable and still provide the same drop. So I went ahead and went with spoon. So we'll go ahead and get these parts put on, and I'll be back here in a moment. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Once again, I really appreciate everybody watching. Thank you guys for all the support. If you did like what you see, please subscribe. Also like the video and hit that notification bell. And guys, more content is on the way. May have another unboxing and install later this week. I also want to do some overall impressions of the car. I appreciate everybody checking out the overview, but I also like to give some impressions. And I got some big things down the way as well. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Next time, guys.